We do one-on-one work in either remedial areas or enrichment for all of the students that we see. A lot of kids come to us initially because they struggle with reading and spelling. That can be a huge worry for parents. So we can work with kids that may or may not have a diagnosis with dyslexia. Once we assess the child, we know exactly what's going on specifically with their phonemic processing. We can address those needs in our program that's highly tailored to each individual that comes here. We do pre and post testing with the student and a little bit of interval testing during their time with us. So we can measure their gains and we know exactly how they're progressing through the program, if it's the pace we expected, a little bit slower or a little bit faster than we anticipated from the initial assessment. When a child is coming to the end of their program with us, we really like to invite the parents or any other professionals that have been on their support team, like a psychologist or an occupational therapist. Perhaps there's a speech pathologist or a teacher or a headmaster at a school. So we invite a couple of them to come in and observe the child, as long as it's not too distracting or challenging for the child to have them watch, and so they can learn and see how much the child has learned. And usually the student is really proud and excited to show how much they've learned over their time at the Reading Foundation. And then if the teacher watches, the teacher can help carry on in a similar manner with the student back in the classroom afterwards.